We are going to start the program. On behalf of Rotary Club of Tiruchi Central, we welcome you all to the 18th installation ceremony. Our heart as Rotarians come together in love, friendship, fellowship and selfless service. On behalf of all the Centralites, I welcome you all for this grand occasion. Sergeant Rotarian Hariharan will lead our President Satish Kumar, Secretary Sendil, incoming President Dr. Rath, and incoming Secretary Loganathan to the stage. I request Sergeant Hari to adorn the collar to our President Satish Kumar. Meeting will be called to order by our President Satish.
Rotary Club of Tiruchi Central 18th installation meeting called to order.
Prayer is talking to God and listening to God. Prayer is a powerful weapon and a valuable resource available to every believer in the world. Prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God. Past President Rotarian Selvam will invoke the blessings of God by reading the Rotary prayer.
O God, Creator of all things and Father of mankind, we thank Thee for inspiring our founder with the principles of Rotary. Based on high ideals of morality, we implore Thee to help us Rotarians meeting here, to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars on color, creed and claim, for the removal of economic and social barriers, for the proper understanding of the sanctity of human personality and the dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families and all nations may live in amity and fellowship and unite under Thy holy feet and hail Thee as Thou really art, our one true, eternal and all-loving Father.
Thank you, Selvam. The first task of a leader is to keep hope alive. The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. Here is our President Satish to give his welcome speech.
Rotary Club of Tiruchi Central in 18வது இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு வருகை புரிந்துள்ள மற்றும் இந்த நிகழ்வை காணொளி ஜூம் மீட்டிங் மூலம் கலந்து கொண்டுள்ள அனைவருக்கும் இனிய மாலை வணக்கம். சரியாக ஒரு வருடத்திற்கு முன்பு, அதாவது ஜூலை 13, 2019 அன்று இதே மேடையில் தான் RCTCயின் 17வது பிரசிடெண்டாக பொறுப்பேற்றேன். அப்போது நான் வரும் ஆண்டில் செய்வதாக சொன்ன திட்டங்கள்: நட்பை வளர்ப்பது. 100 வருடங்களுக்கு முன்பு RI பிரசிடெண்டாக இருந்த ஆல்பர்ட் எஸ் ஆடம்ஸ் கூறுகிறார், நட்பு என்பது ரோட்டரியை வாழ்க்கைக்கு கொண்டு வந்த இயக்கம்தான். ரோட்டரியை உலகில் ஒரு உயிருள்ள முக்கிய சக்தியாக எப்போதும் வைத்திருக்கும். இது எங்கள் அமைப்பின் அடித்தளமாகும் என்றார். நட்பை வலுப்படுத்த பல ஜாயின்ட் மீட்டிங் மற்றும் ஸ்பீக்கர் மீட்டிங் நடத்த திட்டமிட்டுள்ளேன் என்றேன். அவ்வாறே 4 ஜாயின்ட் மீட்டிங்கும் 6 ஸ்பீக்கர் மீட்டிங்கும் நடத்தியுள்ளேன் என பெருமை கூறிக்கொள்கிறேன். ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ்: வாரந்தோறும் ஒரு சர்வீஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட் செய்வது, அது இன்றைய முக்கிய தேவையை கருதியே செய்வது என்பதில் உறுதியாக உள்ளேன் என்றேன். 52க்கும் அதிகமான ப்ராஜெக்டை செய்துள்ளோம் என்பதற்கு அடுத்து வரும் செக்ரட்டரி ரிப்போர்ட்டை சாட்சி. இந்த ஒரு வருட காலத்தில் குறைந்தது 1000 மரக்கன்றுகளை நட செய்து அதை நல்ல முறையில் பராமரிப்பது அடங்கும் என்றேன். சுமார் 1200 மரங்களை கொடுத்து நட செய்துள்ளோம் என்பதை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மாவட்டம் 3000 நிர்ணயித்த இலக்குகளை ஏற்ப தசாவதாரம் திட்டங்களை செய்ய திட்டமிட்டுள்ளேன் என்றேன். அனைத்து தசாவதார ப்ராஜெக்டையும் நிறைவேற்றி உள்ளோம் என தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். ஃபவுண்டேஷன்: எங்கள் சங்கம் ஏற்கனவே 100% PHF கிளப், அதை 100% MPHF கிளப்பாக மாற்ற முயற்சி செய்வேன் என்றேன். கோவிட்-19 டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் வள்ளல் திட்டத்தை கைவிட்டதால் இதை நடைமுறைப்படுத்த முடியவில்லை என்பதை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அடுத்து எங்கள் சென்ட்ரல் குடும்பம்: எல்லாம் தொடங்கும் இடம் குடும்பம். நம் எல்லா சேவைகளும் இவ்வுலகில் நாம் அடைய விரும்பும் அனைத்தும் இவர்களால் மட்டுமே தொடங்குகின்றன. இதை வலியுறுத்துவதற்காக குடும்ப சுற்றுலா நடத்த திட்டமிட்டுள்ளேன் என்றேன். ஏப்ரல் மாத விடுமுறையில் இவர்களை சிறப்பான முறையில் செய்து முடிக்க அனைத்து திட்டங்களையும் செய்து கொண்டிருக்கும் போது இந்த கொடிய கொரோனா வந்து எதையும் நடைமுறைப்படுத்த முடியாமல் கைவிட வேண்டிய சூழ்நிலையில் செய்ய முடியவில்லை என்ற வருத்தம் உள்ளது. இவைகள் சென்ற வருடம் இன்சுலேஷன் நான் சொன்னதும் செய்தவையும். இவைகளை தவிர லிட்ரஸிக்காக ஸ்கூல் யூனிஃபார்ம்ஸ், ஸ்காக் கிட்ஸை 100 ஏழை குழந்தைகளுக்கு கிடைக்க செய்தோம். ஸ்கூல் ஃபீஸ் மற்றும் காலேஜ் ஃபீஸ் கட்ட முடியாத மாணவர்களுக்கு இதுவரை சுமார் 1.5 லட்சம் வரை கட்டியுள்ளோம். மிக முக்கியமான ஒன்று, காலை உணவு கூட கிடைக்க இயலாத 1ஆம் வகுப்பு முதல் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு வரை படிக்கும் சுமார் 500 பள்ளி குழந்தைகளுக்கு நடைபெறும் அனைத்து நாட்களிலும் காலை உணவை கைப்பிடி அன்பு கைப்பிடி அன்னம் என்ற சிக்னேச்சர் ப்ராஜெக்டை எங்கள் கிளப்பின் இந்த வருடத்திலிருந்து ஆரம்பித்து மிக சிறந்த முறையில் அதை நடைமுறைப்படுத்துகிறோம். அதற்கு பண உதவி புரிந்த எங்கள் கிளப் மெம்பர் அனைவருக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, எங்களுடன் இணைந்து 2 பள்ளிகளில் இந்த கைப்பிடி அன்பு கைப்பிடி அன்னம் நடைமுறைப்படுத்தி வரும் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் திருவெரும்பூர் பாரத் கிளப்புக்கும், ஒரு பள்ளியில் நடைமுறைப்படுத்தி வரும் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் திருச்சி ராயல் கிளப்புக்கும் இந்த நேரத்தில் நன்றி தெரிவிக்க கடமைப்பட்டுள்ளோம். இந்த கைப்பிடி அன்பு கைப்பிடி அன்னம் ஆரம்பித்தது முதல் இன்று வரை சிறந்த முறையில் தடையில்லாமல் நடத்த எனக்கு உதவி புரிந்த எங்கள் செக்ரட்டரி செந்தில்குமார் அவர்களுக்கு ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய பாராட்டை உங்கள் சார்பாக தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இன்டர்நேஷனல் லெவலில் இருந்து வருகை புரிந்த பிரேசில் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் 4670 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் டீமை திருச்சியில் இருந்த 4 நாட்களும் அவர்களை சிறப்பாக வழிநடத்தியுள்ளோம். அதற்கு முழு ஒத்துழைப்பும் நேரத்தையும் செலவிட்ட நம் ஏஜி மற்றும் செக்ரட்டரி செந்தில்குமாருக்கு நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, அவர்களுடன் நல்லதொரு ஜாயின்ட் மீட்டிங்கை நடத்த ஒத்துழைத்த எங்கள் கிளப் மெம்பர்ஸுக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். ஆஸ்திரேலியா RID 9455 வருகை புரிந்த பாஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் ராஜா சனாதி ராஜாவுடன் ஒரு மீட்டிங்கை நடத்தியுள்ளோம் என்றும், ஸ்ரீலங்கா DG கருணாகரன் அழைத்து ஒரு மீட்டிங்கை நடத்தியுள்ளோம் என்றும், PDG ஜானிஸ் குருத் அண்ட் பாஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் சூசன் குருத் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலியை ஃப்ரம் RID 5340 அவர்களை ரிசீவ் செய்ததிலிருந்து அவர்களின் 3 நாள் பயணத்தை சிறப்பாக வழிநடத்தி அவர்களை வழி அனுப்பும் வரை செய்த எங்கள் கிளப் ஏஜி பெரியார் செல்வம் அவர்களுக்கு நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இவைகளை தவிர மேலும் நிறைய உதவிகளை ரீஹபிலிட்டேஷன் சொசைட்டி, ஓல்டேஜ் ஹோம்ஸ், பிளைண்ட்ஸ் ஸ்கூல், விஷுவல் இம்பேர்ட் ஸ்கூல், நிறைய கண்டக்டட் பிளட் கேம்ப்ஸ், ஸ்மார்ட் ஸ்கூல் பர்பஸஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட், ஸ்க்ரீன், செஸ் டோர்னமெண்ட் அண்ட் ஸ்கூல் டேபிள் சேர் போன்ற ப்ராஜெக்டுகளையும் செய்துள்ளோம். எங்கள் கிளப் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் 3000 லிட்ரஸியை மிக சிறப்பான முறையில் நடத்தி கொடுத்துள்ளோம். அதை பொறுப்பேற்று நடத்திய பாஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் SP ராமசாமி மற்றும் பாஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் சுக்விந்தர் சிங் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரலைட்ஸ் அனைவருக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்து, லிட்ரஸி செமினார் நடத்தும் வாய்ப்பை எங்கள் கிளப்புக்கு ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்த DG ரொட்டேரியன் டாக்டர் ஜமீர் பாஷா மற்றும் அவருடைய டீமுக்கு நன்றி தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த COVID-19 லாக்டவுன் நேரத்திலும் மெடிக்கல் கேம்ப், முதியோர் இல்லங்களுக்கு மளிகை சாமான் வழங்குதல், ஆயுர்வேத இம்யூனிட்டி மருந்துகள் வழங்குவது போன்ற ப்ராஜெக்ட் மற்றும் ஆல் சென்ட்ரலைட்ஸ் கிளப் இன் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் 3000 நடத்தியுள்ளோம். அடுத்து செக்ரட்டரி ரிப்போர்ட்டில் அனைத்தும் விரிவாக இருக்கும். ஓன் கிளப் மெம்பரே ஏஜியாக அமைவது ஒரு வரம். அந்த வாய்ப்பும் எனக்கு அமைந்தது. ஏஜி பெரியார் செல்வம் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் 3000 அனைத்து திட்டங்களையும் வழங்கி அதை செயல்முறைப்படுத்த நல்வகை உருவாக்கி கொடுத்தது மட்டுமில்லாமல் நிறைய அதர் கிளப் மெம்பரின் அறிமுகம் எனக்கு கிடைக்கச் செய்தார். ஜாயின்ட் மீட்டிங்கை நல்ல சிறப்பான முறையில் அமைக்க உதவி புரிந்தார். அவருக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அடுத்து நம்ம கிளப்பின் பாஸ் பிரசிடென்ட்ஸ். வள்ளியால் உருவான இந்த RCTC கிளப் இந்த அளவிற்கு வருடம் சிறந்து விளங்க இவர்கள் தான் காரணமானவர்கள். இவர்களை நான் பாஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் என்பதை விட எங்கள் கிளப்பின் பர்மனன்ட் பிரசிடென்ட் என்று சொல்வதை பொருத்தமாக இருக்கும். ஏனென்றால் கிளப்பை நல்ல முறையில் நடத்த பல நேரங்களில் தட்டி கொடுத்தும் சில நேரங்களிலும் தட்டியும் வைப்பார்கள். இந்த ரோட்டரி இயர் 1920 ஆண்டிற்காக என்னை பொறுத்துக்கொண்டு எனக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்த என் மனைவி ஆன் சாந்தலட்சுமிக்கும் என் அருமை மகள் ஆனட் கிருத்திகாவுக்கும் நன்றியை உரிதாக்கி, வர இருக்கும் ஆண்டினை சிறப்பாக நடத்த இன்று RCTCயின் 18வது பிரசிடென்டாக பொறுப்பேற்க உள்ள மேஜர் டோனர் ரொட்டேரியன் டாக்டர் ரத் மற்றும் அவருடைய டீமுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, உங்களுக்கு அனைத்து வகையிலும் நானும் நம் கிளப் மெம்பர்ஸும் உறுதுணையாக இருப்போம் என்று அவர்களின் சார்பாகவும் உறுதி கூறி நன்றியுடன் விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, President Satish. When we all started this Rotary year, Rotary International President Mark Maloney chose Rotary Connects the World as his theme. President Satish and all the Centralites answered his call. A life not lived for others is not a life. Do good deeds and tell people you have done them. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our Secretary Sandil to present the annual activity report to this august gathering.
My dear fellow Rotarians, a warm good evening. With immense pleasure, I am submitting my report 1920 as a capacity secretary On 13th July, 17th installation ceremony of our prestigious club performed at Hotel SRM. Chief guest, PDG Dr. Rekha Shetty from RI District 3232. Rotarian VB Satish Kumar took over as a 17th president of our club from Rotarian Mr. M. Alauddin. Rotarian P. Sendil Kumar, myself, took over as secretary of our club from Rotarian Dr. Rath. Rotarian V.R. Arun Prasad took over as a treasurer of our club. Team of office bearers 2019-20. Installation projects. Handing over check to St. Philomena's School Corridor Flooring Project at a cost of Rs 20,000. Handing over 1,000 kgs of rice at a cost of Rs 48,000 to St. Anthony's Old Age Home. It is a continuous project done every year. 800 saplings were handed over to Trichy Public School. The same are planted inside the campus of Trichy Public School. 10th and 12th school topper cash award handed over to students by past President Selvam. This is a continuous project every year sponsored by past President Selvam. 2 new members inducted to our RCTC family, Rotarian Kannan and Rotarian Jagadishwaran. Honorary member Wing Commander Gunashekaran, newly inducted to our RCTC family. Mayappan Memorial Award presented to our outstanding Rotarian Lognathan. Every year this award sponsored by our past President Ramanathan. On 1st July, RCTC members participated mega blood donation camp and donated blood at Governor Office. In that, 2 of our RCTC members were conducted the camp. Rotarian Dr. Rath, camp at Governor Office, Trichy. Rotarian Dr. Prabhaharan, camp at Manaparai. On 3rd July, our club donated 500 notebooks to government school at Tuvakudi Malai at a cost of Rs 8,500. From 9th July onwards, our club initiated the signature project of this year, Kaipidi Anbu Kaipidi Annam. It is a continuous project. It will be continued in the coming years also. On 16th July 2019, we attended District Governor installation function at Hotel Sangam. On 18th July 2019, our honorary member Wing Commander Rotarian Gunashekaran organized an air show for school students. Our RCTC arranged vehicles for 50 underprivileged school students from government school to enjoy the air show at Tanjavur. On 23rd July 2019, first club assembly meeting held at Hotel SRM. On 24th July, our service project director Rotarian Anthony contributed Rs 3,750 every month towards the signature project Kaipidi Anbu Kaipidi Annam. On 30th July, first speaker meeting, Rotarian Dr. Prabhaharan, chairman of Uyirthuli Blood Bank, spoke on the topic Uduram Kodupom Uyir Kaapom. 31st July, we added one more school for our club signature project of Kaipidi Anbu Kaipidi Annam. 6th August 2019, second speaker meeting. Speaker Rotarian Roy John Thomas spoke on the topic how to maintain Rotary accounts, Rotary trust accounts and trust opening procedures. We participated zone meeting at Sirumalai conducted by our AG Periyar Selvam. On 7th August, we conducted blood camp with Uyirthuli Blood Bank. On 8th August, we hand over school uniform to the St. Philomena's School, 17 underprivileged students. On 9th August, our RCTC members sponsored college fee for underprivileged final year students of Holy Cross College at a cost of Rs 78,420. Previous year also we supported the same students. On the same day, our club donated projector for smart school purpose at a cost of 35,000 in Government Panchayat Union School, Tuvakudi Malai, Trichy. On 9th August, stag tour to Korangini Falls near Theni. 10th August, we attended the membership development seminar at Theni. 14th August, RCTC added one more school at Tuvakudi Malai in the signature project Kaipidi Anbu Kaipidi Annam. 15th August, on Independence Day, we conducted blood donation camp with Uirtuli Blood Bank at Ariyamangalam Mosque. On 27th August, our member Rotarian Dr. Rath provided lunch to the inmates of Gangaru Karana Illam in the eve of his birthday celebration. 8th September, Rotarian Hariharan provided lunch to the inmates of Visually Impaired School in Mannarpuram and Gangaru Karana Illam in the eve of his sister's daughter birthday celebration. We sponsored 2 special children's for Raila Ookamadu Kaividel. We sponsored 2 college students for Raila Gurkul. On 14th September, we attended District Youth Service Seminar Tullal at Karur. On 2nd October, our RCTC conducted chess tournament joined with District Chess Federation and at Trichy Public School and sponsored rupees 10,000 worth of prizes. 8th October, Rotarian Hariharan donated blood at DDC. 10th October, Rotarian RCTC Secretary Senthil Kumar myself provided breakfast, lunch and dinner to the 72 inmates of Tiruvallar Solai Old Age Home and 70 inmates of St. Anne's Rehabilitation Society, Irangalur, in the eve of my birthday celebration. 12th October, we conducted an evening program for differently abled students, joined hands with Deaf Enable Foundation and Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. 20th October, installation ceremony of MAM College Rotaract Club done by RCTC. 20th October, we attended District Public Image Seminar Gambiram at Emerald Palace nearby Samayapuram Toll Plaza, Trichy. 25th October, 50 sets of dresses distributed to underprivileged children at a cost of rupees 25,000. 1st November 2019, RCTC joined Rotary Club of Madaras Channapatna, distributed 50 assistive devices for 10 standard girl children and career guidance program in the Government Higher Secondary School for Visually Impaired, Trichy. 21st November 2019 speaker meeting. Speaker, past President Raja Senati Raja from Rotary Club of Freshwater Bay, Australia, RID 9455, shared some of the ongoing projects in their club and throw some lights on global joint projects. On 24th November, we attended District Rotary Foundation Seminar at Pudukkottai and received a recognition award from our District Governor for 100% contribution towards TRF. 7 of our club members were attended Rotary Leadership Institute both sessions on 30th November 2019 and 1st December 2019. 3rd December, joint meeting with Rotary Club of Dindukal Central. Guest speaker is our club honorary member Wing Commander Rotarian Gunashekaran. Spoke on the topic how to join and qualify in Indian Air Force. 100 students were participated and get benefited. 9th December, we conducted joint meeting with RC of Trichirappalli, RC of Trichirappalli Sakti and RC of Trichy Diamond City Pride. The guest speaker is Kalki Subramaniam, transgender. 24th December, RCTC paid the second year college fee for a BCom underprivileged student, Ms. Saroja, in Jamal Muhammad College. Past President Rotarian K. Ramasamy celebrated his 25th wedding anniversary in our club meeting. January 4th and 5th, we attended District Conference Simhasanam at Chennai Trade Center. 19th January 2020, RCTC covered 6 polio booths and initiated polio drops for children and sponsored refreshments for the staffs in the booths. 22nd January, we attended polio seminar at Hotel Sangam. 23rd January, joint meeting with District 4670 Brazil team as a part of Friendship Exchange program, and we exchanged the flag with them. RCTC identified 100 underprivileged children for distribution of SCA kit at Vasavi Vidyalaya on 25th January 2020. On the same day, RCTC participated in the Rock City Cricket Tournament. 25th and 26th January, our RCTC members attended the RLI training sessions level 3 at Erode. 26th January, on 71st Republic Day, flag hoisting done by our President, and we sponsored sweets and gift for students and sewing machine motors for training classes at Seva Sangam Girls Higher Secondary School. On 4th February speaker meeting, the guest speaker was Dr. Senthil Kumar Nallasamy, spoke on the topic Idayam Kapom. 9th February, our past President Clements addressed the Rotaractors in the National College, Trichy. 11th February, Rotarian Kannan provided breakfast to the 70 inmates of St. Anne's Rehabilitation Society and lunch for the 120 inmates of St. Anthony's Old Age Home at Kattur in the eve of his wedding day celebration. On the same day, Secretary Sandil Kumar donated 1000 kgs of rice to St. Anthony's Old Age Home at Kattur. 12th February, we attended Kalvi Seer program at Government Panchayat Union Middle School, Tuvakudimalai. 22nd February, we attended the felicitation function for DG&D Rotarian Gerald. 23rd February, our RCTC conducted District Literacy Seminar, Asan Kallamai Illamai. 27th February, St. Philomena School Annual Day function. In that event, our President was the chief guest. March 6th and 7th, RCTC President-elect Rotarian Dr. Rath and Secretary-elect Rotarian Lognathan attended Pets and Sets. On 8th March, Cancer Awareness and Screening Camp organized in the Central Jail, Trichy, breast and cervical cancer screening for women police and CRPF staffs and families. It was conducted in the event of International Women's Day celebration. 10th March, Rotaractor Hari Balakrishnan joined us in our regular meeting with End Polio Now Flame. 13th March 2020, President, Secretary and Rotarian Jagadishwaran visited Government Palangudina School at Jamuna Marathur and donated fruits. 25th March, RCTC conducted first e-meeting due to COVID-19 lockdown. 3rd April, past President Satta along with the Electrical Traders Association donated rupees 80,000 for 1 month Amma Unavaham for providing breakfast, lunch and dinner to the needy and distributed face masks at the nearby area peoples. 4th April, we attended e-meeting with District Governor and all club presidents and secretaries. 5th April, past President Ramanathan donated grocery items to Gangaru Karana Illam. 27th April, donated 2 months grocery items to St. Anthony's Old Age Home worth at a cost of rupees 12,500. 10th May, RCTC conducted the medical camp for the 41 inmates of St. Anne's Rehabilitation Society at Iringalur. This camp expenses fully sponsored by our past President Sattanathan. 18th May, immune booster, homeopathic medicine, arsenicum album 30C potency medicine sponsored to the inmates of 150 inmates of St. Anthony's Old Age Home, Kattur, and 60 inmates of St. Anne's Rehabilitation Society, Iringalur. On 19th May, E-Governor's official visit conducted. On 17th June, joint e-meeting organized with all central clubs in District 3000. 19th June, immune booster homeopathic medicine, arsenicum album 30C potency medicine sponsored to the inmates of 170 inmates of Gangaru Karana Illam at Yadamalapatiputtur and Srirangam. 13th July, we sponsored Smart TV to the Smart School purpose to Kulumani Government Higher Secondary School. Thank you, Rotary.
When spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Thank you, Secretary Sandal, for a fantastic presentation. The magic of Rotary is that it allows ordinary people to do extraordinary things. Leadership is an action and a challenge. It is an opportunity to serve, and in Rotary, leaders change, but leadership continues. Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. And in Rotary, leadership is service to others. Our incoming president is a pathologist, very casual, who believes in friendship and fellowship. Let's watch an audio visual of our incoming president.
Kumar Rath was born to Mr. Umakant Rath and Mrs. Charbala on 27th of August 1961 as the second of 5 siblings in the state of Odisha. He studied throughout in government institutes as he completed his degree in medicine from Vimsar, Burla, Odisha in 1986. He took training as a senior house surgeon in Christian Medical College, Vellore from 1986 to 1988 and completed his post-graduation from JIPMER in pathology in 1991. He excelled himself as the best postgraduate in his batch and won Best Research Paper Award. He joined as the chief pathologist in AMC, Kaveri Hospital in 1991 and has achieved many milestones in his 30 years of pathology career. He was the first person to introduce immunohistochemistry in private hospitals, followed by introducing a component therapy in this part of the country. He is the founder member of Doctors Diagnostic Center, a state-of-art medical diagnostic setup which also introduced RT-PCR cytogenetics, gene sequencing, etc. for the first time in this part of a country. He was the first NABL accredited 24/7 standalone referral medical laboratory in this part of India. He initiated an advanced PET scan and nuclear scan first time in the central Tamil Nadu under DOMIScan. The test in the DDC, DOMIScan, etc. are approved for Chief Minister's insurance scheme. DDC is currently the only ICMR-approved laboratory to conduct COVID testing. He is an avid traveler and has visited USA, Sweden, Norway, Finland, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Switzerland, Netherlands, Belgium, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, and Thailand. He has also been to Mexico and Russia through Rotary Exchange Program. He also completed his graduation from the Rotary Leadership Institute. He is happily married to Dr. Sanjukta and have 2 bright children, namely daughter Pallavi, who studied engineering in Vellore Institute of Technology and followed by her MS at University of California and is now currently working in Texas, USA. His son Sudeep is currently doing his final year in medicine at Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Cochin. He joined Rotary in the year 2004 and he is a major donor and is always dedicated to social uplifting and public health. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I would like to introduce Dr. Rath, our incoming president, to this august gathering.
May I request outgoing President Satish Kumar and incoming President Dr. Rath to step forward, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the climax of today's evening function. Outgoing President Rotarian Satish Kumar will now call on the new President Rotarian Dr. Rath. He will hand over the gavel, the symbol of authority. He will now hand over the charter and hand over the MOP. And finally adorn him with the President's pin. Turak will adorn the past President's pin. Thank you, President Dr. Rath and past President Satish. That was the pin exchange. Our newly installed President will now take a pledge.
I, Dr. Rath, as President of Rotary Club of Trichy Central, will do the best of my ability, administer the duties of the office of President in a business-like manner and in accordance with the club's constitution and bylaws.
Thank you, President. As they proceed, they will exchange their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, from this moment, Rotarian Dr. Rath will be the 18th President of the club. I request the serving and incoming secretaries to step forward. Secretary Rotarian Sendil Kumar will hand over the files of our club to the new Secretary Rotarian Loganathan. He will now adorn Rotarian Loganathan with Secretary's pin. Thank you, gentlemen. It's now time for our Treasurer, Rotarian Umakant, to hand over the files to our incoming Treasurer, Rotarian Ravichandran. And finally, our Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Hariharan, will tie the sergeant band to our incoming Sergeant, past President, Rotarian Satyanathan. And will also hand over the baton. Thank you, gentlemen. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential, these are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence, and the starting point of all achievement is desire. Leaders are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. Our leader, President Dr. Rath, will you please step forward to address the gathering and unfold your plans for the Rotary year 2020 to 21.
Respected Chief Guest of the evening, Dr. George Sundaraj, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, district officials, and my fellow Rotarians. I am indeed grateful to my members for choosing me as the next leader for the year 2021. Rotary Club of Trichy Central was led by doyens including past District Governor Valliyappan, who is my leader in Rotary. He led the club and the district by examples. I would follow my leader in this period of COVID-19 epidemic
and succeed in this Rotary year. The whole world is fighting this COVID-19. As a Rotary leader and as a pathologist, I would be working full-time on the path to fight the virus in the body and in the mind of our people. I know the difficulties and the constraints which I will face as I go forward in my fight with the COVID-19 epidemics. I would convert this fight into opportunities and lead our club, and I would see that we come out with flying colors and be the best among all the clubs in the district. For this, I have the support of my seniors and my club members. Fighting the current scenario, my club and my team will be happy if we could succeed in doing all the club projects, all the projects of the district, and which would include doing Happy School, Happy Village, mega tree plantation, like district Mayaki afforestation program, to conduct mega medical camps. We would like to continue our signature projects in the club, Kaipidi Anbu, Kaipidi Annam. We'll continue other smaller regular ongoing projects. We would, as regularly do, we'll do a smaller projects as and when they come in. We will also plan for a bigger project with CSR grants. I would draw your attention to the district brochures which I have projected. These are the guidelines and these are the projects which have been circulated to all the clubs by the district governor, which I would be going in little details. These have been earmarked month-wise and date and day-wise. Next. These are the timelines. In July 1st, we were supposed to have a mega blood donation camp, but it could not be done because of this COVID situation. Government did not give permission. In August, we plan to have enhancement in membership. We will have a rainwater harvesting project in few of the members' homes. We will have mega tree plantation program. We will have district level RILA in September. Also club level Rotaract and Interact RILA in September. In October, we will have distribution of health kits in government hospital and primary health centers. In November, we will have a vocational project and mega job fair. December, we are having polio eradication workshop, mega cardiac checkup camp, etc. Next. In January 2nd and 3rd, we are going to have district conference in Madurai and also Rotary Information Board meeting. February, we are going to have traffic rule awareness campaign and all women's meet. May and June, it will be like district award giving ceremony and Thanksgiving program from the governor's side. Donation to the foundation. Our members will be contributing more to our Valli endowment funding and also giving 66,000 to the foundation under the scheme Karnan. You know, afforestation replenishes the water table, brings copious rain, brings oxygen to the air and reduces the harmful carbon dioxide. For this afforestation, the district is gearing up to have Miyawaki type of afforestation project which is being planned in Annanagar, and for this our club is going to donate 1.5 lakhs. The continuous projects like Kaipidi Anbu, Kaipidi Annam, which is running now in 8 schools where we are giving breakfast to poor students, now will go up to 13 by addition of 5 more schools. 1000 kg rice will be contributed by MPHF Rotarian P. Senthil Kumar to St. Anthony Old Age Home like all the years he does. This will be done at a cost of 48,000 rupees. CSR project, I have 2 which we will be doing in our adopted village of Irindrapatti, where we will have a smart computer lab and digital library in Irindrapatti Government School. This project will be jointly done by Doctors Diagnostic Center and RCTC. On our war for COVID-19, our club will be associated with Doctors Diagnostic Center to bring in free testing for COVID-19 testing for very poor people. Antibody testing will be done free of cost at DDC for the hospital staffs of different hospitals in Trichy and surrounding areas. This will be done on a joint sponsorship, and this will boost the confidence and morale of hospital staff who are scared to treat the COVID-19 patients. To make our club more vibrant, I propose to have every meeting a speaker meeting, and the membership will be increased to a record level in the district with the introduction of women members to our club. Family get-together and tours for domestic and abroad will be encouraged after the corona time. Thank you for your patient hearing and the opportunity.
In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can believe in yourself and have faith in your abilities. Thank you, President Dr. Rath. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision. The nice thing about teamwork is that you have others on your side. President Dr. Rath will introduce his best team for the year 2020 to 21.
Here I am presenting my team for the year 2020 and 21. The Vice President of our team is none other than the kingpin of our signature project, Kaipidi Anbu, Kaipidi Annan, P. Senthil Kumar. Ever smiling and soft-cornered, successfully completed his tenure with flying colors, Rotarian MPHF V.V. Satish Kumar. He is going to be our immediate past president. Honest, hard-working, and a person resigned his lucrative government job from Highways Department to serve the society. 2 times winner of Mayappan Memorial Award winner is none other than Secretary for this year, Rotary and PHF, K. Loganathan. Soft-spoken, ever ready to take any responsibilities, our incoming treasurer, Rotary and PHF, K. Ravichandran. The young man of our club, past president Satanathan, is the sergeant at arms. Our board of directors Without him, the newborn babies and mothers will cry. Our medical man, past President Rotarian PHF K. Ramasamy is Director of Club Admin. Our dynamic leader with a heart to serve the humanity and new face of our club, Rotarian PHF V. Kannan is the Director of Membership Development. Singh is king, but our Rotarian MPHF Sukhvinder Singh is a tech-savvy IT man of our club, is the Director of Public Relations. Our Vice President, Rotarian MPHF P. Senthil Kumar again is also taking the responsibility of Director Special Projects. Our prominent MC and well-known person in our district who needs no introduction, past President Rotarian MPHF S.A. Clement is a Grand Chairman. The MGR of our club, vibrant leader, past President Rotarian PHF Selvam is the Director of Rotary Foundation. Our club's youth and young face, Rotarian PHF Hariharan is the Director of Youth Service. Another famous man of our club and a man who is helping others to enhance their wealth, Rotarian PHF Periyar Selvam is the club trainer. Thank you.
If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Thank you, President, and thank you, Centralites. There can be no worship without good actions. The tradition of crafting a Rotary theme is credited to Percy, Rotary's president in the year 1949 to 50. Last year, we tried to connect the world, and this Rotary year, we will try to open opportunities. Rotary is of great value. It changes the course of human life. It changes the life of every Rotary beneficiary, as well as the life of each Rotarian. It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. We alone cannot change the world, but we can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. Due to this pandemic, we have not invited all the beneficiaries, but all our own ongoing projects, 1,000 kgs of rice to St. Anthony's Home, recognition of school toppers, recognition of our own manets, every Centralite every year, our contribution to Rotary Foundation, Kaipidi Anbu, Kaipidi Annam, as mentioned by our President, will be continued this year. A father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sailor to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. Any man can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a dad. In loving memory of his father, Sri R.M. Mayappan, past President Ramanathan is sponsoring a memorial award which will also carry a cash award. This award will be presented to the most active Rotarian of our club for selfless service every year. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Sri R.M. Mayappan Memorial Award for the year 2018 to 19 is none other than Rotarian Senthil Kumar. Our President Dr. Rath, along with past President Ramanathan, will present the award to Rotarian Senthil Kumar. Past President Ramanathan will also present a cash award to Senthil. Thank you, gentlemen. A life not lived for others is not a life. Our chief guest, past District Governor Dr. George Sundarraj, can be exemplified as a trainer, an orator, a trainer who trains Rotary leaders, an optimist, a teacher, a consultant, and an original thinker, a man who has achieved everything in his profession. He is a person who has achieved an ultimate and lasting glory by being a winner. To know more about him, may I invite our past President, Periyar Selvam, to introduce our chief guest.
Thank you, Clearbanks. Good evening, President, dear Centralites and chief guest and friends in Rotary. A warm good evening. It's a great honor for me to introduce our today's chief guest, Rotarian Dr. George Sundarraj, fondly called as Georgie. He is a charter member of first club Road Intract Club in India, and which is also the world's second, which is the Intract Club of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Tanjavur. He is a charter member of Rotary Club of Dharapuram from the year 1990, and he served as a district governor in 2015 for the district 3202. He is an assistant regional coordinator, comprises of districts District 3000, 3212 and 3202. He is a member of National Oversight Committee of Completed Global Grants. He is the chairman of Southern Division of Rotary Leadership Institute, which includes 10 Rotary districts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Sri Lanka. He is a member of National Committee Teacher Support Vertical of Teach for Rotary India Literacy Mission. He is a level 2 major donor of the Rotary Foundation. He is also a benefactor of the Rotary Foundation. A service above self awardee and has written 2 books on Rotary. He is a regular faculty member of Youth Exchange Pre-Convention of Rotary International Convention. He has attended 10 RI conventions and 5 Rotary institutes. He was part of the Rotary Friendship Exchange team to Canada in the year 1999, and he proudly says that was a turning point to get in love with Rotary exponentially. Friends, நம்ம எல்லாரும் அம்மாவின் கைவண்ணம், மனைவியின் கைவண்ணம் இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்போம். நம்ம சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் டாக்டர் ஜார்ஜ் சுந்தர்ராஜோட கைவண்ணம் எங்கே பார்க்கலான்னா, உடுமலைப்பேட்டையில் போயிட்டு சர்ஜரி பண்ணி முடித்தவங்களோட உடம்புல எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் சார் போட்ட கிராஃபிக்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும். விச் மீன்ஸ் எஸ், டாக்டர் இஸ் அ ஜெனரல் சர்ஜன் அண்ட் ஹி ரன்ஸ் அ 30-bedded hospital in Udumalapete along with his wife. He is an excellent teacher, orator and a singer and an energetic sports person. He is married to Rotarian Dr. Priscilla and they have 2 children. Dear Centralites, with this few words, I am happy in introducing him to this others gathering. So, sir, we are waiting for your power-packed address. Thank you.
We feel honored to have a chief guest with us who have made all of us proud by a distinguished work in numerous capacities, a man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge, experience and inspiration to all of us. We welcome you to fulfill our knowledge with your precious thoughts, sir.
Thank you very much for the wonderful introduction, Periyar Selvam. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Thank you very much for the wonderful introduction, Periyar Selvam. I think I know most of you people here, and I couldn't see the Master of Ceremony. He is doing an excellent job. I wish the Master of Ceremony, first of all, for the wonderful job that he is doing. And my dear President, Dr. Rath, his Secretary, Loganathan, and outgoing President, Satish Kumar, and outgoing Secretary, Sendil Kumar, and the office bearers of this wonderful club, Rotary Club of Trichy Central. And of course, the galaxy of RLI graduates who have come here to witness this beautiful function. I'm really happy to be with you here. The first thing which struck me was Rotary Club of Trichy Central. They said we've got about 33 members and we don't have any women, and we are planning to add probably 2 to 4 members. So I thought it would be just another club in Rotary. But then when I saw the people and the way in which they presented their projects which were done last year, I was really amazed. You have done wonderful projects, and you are a great club, and you are a leader in District 3000. You must keep leading, and of course Dr. Rath, he's got plenty of ideas. Dr. Rath actually met me in December or November 30th when I came for the Rotary Leadership Institute in Trichy, and he wanted me to be the chief guest at that time itself. He booked me for 4th of July. He said, "You're coming as chief guest for my installation." So I said, "Fine." So I noted down the date. But then before 4th, I phoned up and asked him, "What happened? Are you doing it on 4th, or are you going to postpone it? Or you're not going to have a chief guest, you're just going to have a Zoom meeting or something like that?" So he said, "I don't know what to do. I was dreaming of big things to do during my year. But then everything crashed. And now I don't know what I'm going to do with this COVID-19 situation. People cannot go out, you are homebound. And if you want to do projects outside, again, it's going to be a huge difficulty. So I don't know what to do. Whether I should take up this presidency now or ask the immediate past president, Senthil Kumar, who had done extremely well, to continue for some more time or continue for the whole year." This were his words. These were his words. And I told him, no, you can't do that. You got to take up the responsibility and then say, "Yes, I can do." So my request to him was, you must take up your position, and you must see that your challenges are turned into opportunities. And that's what exactly he's going to do. And what I'm going to tell him is, the obstacles and the hurdles that you come across should be turned into the success stories. There are three things in any success story that you got to think of. The first thing that you think of is the aspiration. The second one you think of is inspiration. And the third one you think of is perspiration. If you have all these three, success should be there. When you talk about aspiration in Rotary, you got to have a goal. You got to aspire for something. You got to look at this and then say, "Yes, I'm going to achieve this." Your club is a great club. Yours is all Paul Harris Fellow Club. And the president said, "We are going to convert this into an multiple Paul Harris Fellow Club. Probably after some time it will be an all major donor club." Fine. You got to have a goal and then say, "Yes, I'm going to achieve this." So that is number one point. And the number 2 point is the inspiration. You got to inspire yourself and then say, "Yes, I can do it. I can do it. This is possible. This is possible in spite of all the difficulties I have. In spite of the workload that I have in the hospital, the COVID-19 patients," he said, they themselves are, treating these patients or diagnosing these patients in this hospital full time. So it's a big job. But then the inspiration should be there within yourself, and you got to be inspired by everybody. I can see the whole lot of people here from Trichy and even Madurai. Raja Govindasamy has come all the way from Madurai, and Usha has come from Madras. And all these people should inspire Dr. Rath and then say, "Yes, you can do it." So the inspiration part is the second part of the success story. And the third one, of course, everybody has to do this, perspiration. You got to work hard. If you don't work hard, you know that you won't get the result. As a doctor, he knows. I was very happy that he did his internship in CMC Vellore, where I studied. And unless you work hard, you cannot achieve anything. So the success results from these three basic facts or the factors. So you got to consider the three things: aspiration, inspiration, and perspiration. This would be my first thing for Rath and the great club that you have, Rotary Club of Trichy Central. And when you talk about the hurdles, there are different hurdles. I am a hurdler. I do both 110 hurdles and 400 hurdles. See, when you do 110 hurdles, you don't worry about striking a hurdle and then the hurdle falls off. You just keep going. the same way, there may be struggle, there may be difficulties, but you've got to just go across the 10 hurdles. You got to step and then you got to measure your steps and then go. I must tell you a short story about a biology teacher. This biology teacher, she was teaching about the life cycle of a butterfly. So when she was teaching about the life cycle of the butterfly, she showed the caterpillar and from the caterpillar into the cocoon. And she said, you got to wait for this cocoon to develop, and then the butterfly has to struggle, break open the cocoon, and then come out and fly to become a butterfly. So she said, okay, you wait, this is the time that the butterfly is going to come out. I'm just going out for some other job. When I come back, I must see that the butterfly is flying around. But don't do one thing. Don't ever break the cocoon to help the butterfly to come out. So she went out. All the children were there. And the cocoon inside the butterfly was there. It was struggling. It was fighting. It was working hard to break the cocoon. One of the students saw the struggle and then said, why is this butterfly struggling? Can't we help this butterfly? So he went and broke the cocoon against the advice of the teacher. He broke the cocoon, the butterfly came out, but the butterfly wouldn't fly. It couldn't fly. And after some time it died. The teacher came inside and then said, what happened? So they narrated the story and then said, the butterfly inside the cocoon was struggling. So this person, he broke open the cocoon, let the butterfly out. And the butterfly couldn't fly, it just died. The teacher said, you must understand the butterfly is to struggle and then it has to work hard to strengthen, to develop its wings. You strengthen yourself, you develop your wings to fly only if you struggle. You got to strengthen yourself. So only if you break the cocoon with that struggle, when it comes out, the butterfly has the strength in the wings and the development of the wings to fly beautifully right across the sky. This is what is the lesson that we've got to learn. The butterfly story is very, very important in this situation, especially for Dr. Rath and his team of office bearers in RCTC. I'm sure that you will come out in flying colors. There are lots of things you have planned, but then never ever say that we will not be able to do. There are umpteen number of examples that you can think of. I don't know whether you heard about this Thomas Edison. When he was 67 years old, his factory with all these instruments and gadgets and all the things, it was burnt down. The fire broke and then burnt down everything. And people said, what is he going to do? All his invention, all the theories and all the things that he had written about, all the things, everything gone. So I don't know whether he is going to really take this properly. You know what Thomas Edison said? He said, yeah, everything is burnt, but then there is also a good thing in that. All the things, all the unsuccessful things or all the things that I couldn't do are also burnt up. So I can start new and then I can think of something that we can give it to people. Exactly what he did was after three weeks, he gave phonogram to the world. And again, Thomas Edison, I believe he failed 10,000 times, not just 10 times or 20 times or 30 times. 10,000 times he failed before he invented the light bulb. There are many examples that you can, say in this way. Like Beethoven, the last 10 years of his, he lived only for 54 years. The last 10 years of life, he couldn't even hear properly. And he gave the best music in the world during those last 10 years when he couldn't hear properly. Once, I believe the auditorium was full, and when he was conducting music, and when he finished that, he couldn't even turn around and see the people applauding him and congratulating the great music that he produced, because he couldn't hear. And somebody came and turned him around and showed him the audience to see what kind of response people gave him. This is Beethoven's story. And you all know about the various stories, like even our Kentucky Fried Chicken, Colonel Sanders, when he came out, he had only a car and he had $100. And he had a recipe from his mother about how to do a fried chicken. And he worked hard and he picked up. So there are many stories that you can tell people about the success comes from the hard work and the perspiration. And also you got to be inspired by something. The Mickey Mouse. How did the Mickey Mouse come? This man had to go from pillar to post. He was just a cartoonist. He went from place to place. He couldn't get any job. Ultimately, he landed in a church and asked the pastor, "Can you give me a place where I can paint some cartoons?" And Walt Disney was given just a barn, a shed, where he could stay for the night to paint some pictures. He went inside. He saw that the whole thing was rodent filled, the barn. So the mice were playing around, and he saw the mouse jumping around and then said, "Yes, I must do this." And that's how the Mickey Mouse was born. So these are some of the things, probably he was inspired by that little thing there, that spark. So you got to have a clear idea. The first one is clear idea of what you're going to do, the goal that you're going to set. The second one is you got to have a spark from outside and the spark from inside. Both the things should be there. And you got to work hard. These are the things that you got to consider. And finally, that I would like to tell you, what are we going to do in this situation? Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to work hard. I'm ready to be inspired. And I'm ready to think about my various projects. But in this situation that I cannot even go out, where will I go and do the blood bank? For the blood bank, you collect blood. Where will I get this donation of blood? People won't come, and the doctors won't go, the technicians won't go, and the government will ban. So how are we going to do this blood donation camps? How are we going to arrange big needs? Probably you can go to an orphanage and give a few things. That's what you've been doing. You can go to a school, present some notebooks and books and pencils and pens. Orphanages, you can go and give them groceries, and you can go to a senior citizen's home, provide them clothes and bedspreads and sheets. But that's not all. Think about Rotary. The final point that I would like to mention is Rotary is not just about doing service alone. If we have a clearer idea, a larger picture of Rotary, we will not be overwhelmed by this situation. We'll have to think that in this situation, again, Rotary is big. I've got opportunities. First thing is, you take the club service. You got opportunities for leadership. You got many leaders in your club, but you can develop more leaders. This is the chance that you will have for developing leaders. So this is one thing that you got to do. The other thing that you got to think of is your profession. You will have to use it for the benefit of others. That's what Rath is doing. So activate and inspire more people to give their profession as a contribution to help the people. So you got to donate your professional skills in some way or the other. This can be done even without going outside. You can be homebound. You don't have to go outside and do all this. Again, come to the youth. You have the Interact clubs and the Rotaract clubs. You can, even on Zoom, if you can conduct a meeting every 15 days. You just imagine, I belong to the second Interact club in the world. The second Interact club was just close to your place, St. Peter's High School, Tanjavur. You know what they taught us? Every 15 days, somebody will have to speak for 15 minutes. You just see our Rotarians, you just ask them to speak for 5 minutes on a topic. At least 50% of the people will find it difficult to do that. So why can't we develop leadership skills among our own interactors and Rotaractors? And why can't we make them good, responsible citizens? This is what is required at this moment. And finally, the international service, you have many friends in the world. Just do a global grant project, not just in Trichy, not just in a village around Trichy. Do it in Tanzania, do it in Uganda, or do it in Kenya, where the need is more, where the people are suffering much, much more than Trichy, Tanjore or Coimbatore. This is what my dream should be or will be. And I request Rath to consider doing a project in some other country as an international partner rather than being a host partner and getting a global grant and getting all the rewards for our own people. Do it for somebody who is poorer than us. That will be much better. And if you are going to do a global grant in Kenya or Sierra Leone or someplace, all these are little places in Africa. There are so many countries in South America which are struggling. They don't have water. They don't have doctors to treat ordinary ailments. Maternal and childhood, they have problem in countries like Ecuador. So why can't we help? So if you do that, I promise you, as a chief guest, I have come to your place. I promise you that we will give you $1,000 from Rotary Club of Darapuram or $2,000 for this project that you probably will undertake. If you can do the global grant, we will do that. So this is what my advice and my promise to you. And Dr. Rath, you are very good. You've been a very good doctor. You've been a very good Rotarian. And you are probably one of the few major donors in your club. And you belong to a club where Valli, the past governor, I still remember him. Fantastic speaker. And he can convince anybody. And he can lead beautifully. And you come from that club. And it is my advice and my request for you to go ahead and then say, challenges, sorry, hurdles, sorry, I'm not going to be bothered about all that. I'm going to go ahead and do everything that I can. Rotary is a big ocean. You learn about the things that you can do, you will be surprised that you have lots and lots and lots of things that you can do homebound without going into a crowd. You can still have your mask, you can still have your social distancing, you still have your hand sanitization, all that you have, but in spite of that, you can serve the community and do very well as a club president, and your team is a wonderful team. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Kind words are the music of the world, and thought is the seed of action. Thank you, sir, for your excellent thought-provoking and captivating speech. Gratitude is the sign of noble souls. Gratitude is the music of the heart when its chords are swept by the breeze of kindness. Words cannot convey your gratitude. Our heart is full of joy, and thank you, Dr. George, for acceding to our request. Thank you, sir, for being with us. We would like to thank you from the bottom of our heart, and your presence has doubled our joy. It's now time for felicitation. May I request our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Manoharan, to felicitate.
சென்ட்ரல் ரோட்டரி கிளப் மெம்பர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய மாலை வணக்கம். இன்று புதிதாக பதவியேற்றிருக்கும் டாக்டர் ரத் டீம் அனைவருக்கும் கவர்னர் சார்பாக வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இதற்கு முன்னால் செயல்பட்ட சதீஷ்குமார் அவர்களுடைய டீம் அனைவருக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் மாவட்ட 3202 ஜார்ஜ் சுந்தரராஜ் அவர்களுக்கு மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மாவட்ட ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் ராமச்சந்திர பாபு அவர்களுக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இவ்விழாவில் கலந்து கொண்ட முன்னாள் இந்நாள் மாவட்ட பொறுப்பாளர்கள், மண்டல ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்கள், துணை ஆளுநர்கள், செயலர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். திருச்சி சென்ட்ரல் ரோட்டரி கிளப் அனைத்து PHF வள்ளி கண்டோன்மெண்ட் கிளப் இருப்பதில் பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். சென்ட்ரல் கிளப் என்றாலே வள்ளி ஞாபகம்தான் வருகிறது. அவருடன் பழகிய நாட்கள் உண்டு. இந்த கிளப்பை பொறுத்தவரையில் எதுவும் சொல்ல தேவையில்லை. இதற்கு முன்னால் ஏஜியும் இருக்கிறார். அதனால் இந்த வருடத்தில் திட்டங்களையும் சேவைகளையும் நன்றாக முன்னின்று நடத்தி கொடுப்பார்கள் என்று நம்பிக்கையுடன் இருக்கிறேன். இந்த வருடத்தில் பெஸ்ட் கிளப்பாக பெஸ்ட் டீமாகவும் வர வேண்டும் என்று கவர்னர் சார்பாக வாழ்த்தி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Assistant Governor. Gratitude is the inward feeling of kindness received. Thankfulness is the natural impulse to express that feeling. A good beginning makes a good ending. Our Secretary, Rotarian Loganathan, will propose the word of thanks.
My dear President Dr. Raj, Chief Guest of this August function, PDG Dr. George Sundarraj, our Zone AG Manoharan, guests from all over the district through Zoom, and fellow centralized, good evening to all. It's my honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this day of this installation function of our great club to all who made it a grand success. We centralists always take pride in showing our past work and future plan during this installation. We always had a good number of Rotarians attend from all over the district. First, we regret that we could not entertain our fellow Rotarians for this wonderful moment of installation function due to COVID-19. First of all, I thank the President Dr. Raj and fellow Centralites for choosing and showing your faith on me to serve as Club Secretary for this wonderful year. We are grateful to our Chief Guest, PDG Dr. George Sundarraj, for gracing our installation even though he has a very busy schedule and meetings, for delivering a wonderful speech and enlightening all of us about Rotary and giving good ideas to our club, for making the club more vibrant and engage members, Rotaractors, interactors. We will take your words as golden words and we will do the work. So, we thank wholeheartedly to the PDG. I heartily convey my gratitude to our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Manoharan, for his encouraging words and felicitations. We always support you in all the Super 6 activities and request your valuable guidance for the best year. Thank you, AG. I, on behalf of Rotary Club of Trichy Central and the entire Central Kudumbam, on my own behalf, extend a very hearty thanks to all the attendees through Zoom. I also wish to express my gratitude to our ever smiling PP Clemens for providing a wonderful meeting experience as master of ceremony with his honey voice. On this day, I remember entering this club and would like to thank our PP Manigandan for introducing me to this wonderful club and making me a Rotarian during the year 2005. I thank from bottom of my heart to all fellow Centralites by their involvement in each and every activity for making this installation function a grand success. I thank Sridhar Photography for capturing this wonderful moment to etch in history by his colorful photos and wonderful videos. Always we have a wonderful meetings due to the audio visuals by Mr. Julius and his team. We thank you all of them. Finally, I express my sincere thanks to the staff and management of this SRM Hotel for providing us a wonderful evening with tasty and wonderful dinner with smiling hospitality for so long years. Be safe, be healthy and be happy. தனித்திருந்து விழித்திருந்து ஆரோக்கியமாக வாழ வாழ்த்தி நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி. Thanks a lot of all. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Loganathan. Life just gives us time and space. It's up to us to fill it. So make the most of it, President Dr. Rath. We the Centralites wish you a very successful Rotary year. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end with the words of Mother Teresa. If we really want to love, if we really want to live, we must love until it hurts. If we love, we begin to serve. Wherever you go with all your heart with love and peace. As we are about to end the meeting, may I request all of you to rise for the national anthem. President Dr. Rath will adjourn the meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being with us over Zoom. It's Clement signing off.